So here is my XTZ 660 Teneré from '91 with 81,000 and something, with a leaking exhaust, which I'm gonna replace. This is what it sounds. Still cold. So here's the exhaust now. It was quite easy to take off. Let me show you. This is on the main damper here. On the bottom side, loads of rust. And here also letting loose the gas resulted in massive popping. I mean, popping wouldn't be the description of what happened. It was explosions you heard. So I'm going over to stainless steel Marving. Just arrived yesterday. And the sound without exhaust should be this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Not too much. Luckily the neighbors aren't. Now the Marving muffler is on. So 3 bolts here, here, and yeah, here, from easy to access from the within. So that was an easy job. Okay, now the sound. Very well damped. Cold, 0 degrees Celsius. So she's running thick on oil. Revs a little bit low, but my bike for daily rides.